Macleanidas must decide help the raven or the owl. A court trial like no other. Beasts debate ideology, centralization, or chaos. The panther judges. Gorilla testifies. The city watches live. Macleanidas speaks. Not to win, but to wake minds. The financial world lies in shambles, but amid the ruins, new networks bloom. Macleanidas gathers the remaining rebels. Together, they build a new platform, the jungle chain, free, wild, unstoppable. The skies don't lie. The currency of the future is war. Subscribe for what's next.